Alright guys, welcome back. Let me show you the history command. If you type history, the history command show command history. It lists recently used commands. If you just type it like this and press enter, it is going to list all the commands that I have used recently. So let me press enter now. You see over 188 commands that I have used recently. Okay, so the one that I've used since last time I cleared the history, this is the command that I have used both in this tutorial and in other practice files. If you want to clear the history, guys, history is different from clearing the screen. Okay, if you do clear screen, if you do clear, it will only clear the screen, but the history is already in memory. Even when you close your system or you shut down your system, the history is still there. Clearing will only clear the current screen where you are working, but the history is there already. If I type history again, history, so if I type history again, you are going to see the command is now increasing because it included the recent history I typed, and you can see the list of the history. It is not clear by clear command. Clear command does not clear the history. Now if you want to clear the history, the command to clear it is history. You type the history -c. The -c means clear the history. Okay, if I press enter now, it will return nothing, but it has cleared the history. If I type the history again, I should have the recent history. If I press enter, you can see I have only one, which is the history I just typed here. Okay, so this history I just typed here is what is in the history, but it has cleared almost over 200 history of lines that I have earlier. That is how to view the history and clear the history. Thank you for watching this video.